All right, ladies and gentlemen, the day is done. What an incredible day. Man, this was the best day of price action we have had in a while. We are on fire here today. Our levels absolutely crushing it. Absolutely crushing it. Mainly taking the market long and short, man. We didn't really touch the sell off at the open here. We let it sell because we knew what was about to happen. So today is what, January 14th? Oh shit, it's my sister's birthday. Guess I should send her a text and say hi. Anyways, if you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up on the video, like and subscribe to the channel. We are crushing it here, as usual, every single day, showing you the power of order flow and how it shapes the market. If you're struggling in this market, you don't have levels of contact, you don't have a super accurate trade plan every day, this is what I do. I'm busy with my team all day long. If you were on the free live stream there this morning, you would have heard me giving hints to what we were doing. And yeah, just a fantastic day. Um, let's get into it. Won't make this video very long. I just want to show you how accurate we were today and how the team crushed it. So let's talk about it. So this was sent early this morning, about 2.5 hours before, well, 2 hours before PPI. Okay, pre-PPI plan above still legit. Okay, what was that plan? I'll tell you. Like I said, I'll focus on main contacts after 8:30. Globex has looked above 58.98 and found the offer and have now failed. Okay, this was key. 58.98 was my main level of contacts, as was 58.59. Insane. Dollar index back to 109, which tells us if we're going to see selling pressure on the futures to keep on. If 109.37 holds on the dollar index and continues march to 110.93, go have a look at the dollar index. An hour to go before the print, 58.98 to 59, or 58.98 to 59.37. We'll see you tomorrow, 59.37. Okay, this trade we got beautifully here today, and we also got 58.59 to 98. This is the only two levels that matter. The only two, okay? The only two of context. And I'll show you why. I'll show you why the market reacts the way that it does. Okay? Now we look below 58.59, and I'll show you why right here that I gave warning to the team during the session. How do I click back here? How do I do this? Here we go. This was intraday. Okay, back to 49. I said we still could see 39 today, but the key was this. We wanted 39 to trade on the ES, and I wanted 781 to trade on the NQ. Once those traded, I was looking for the market to start ripping long. What happened? We dried up into 44 on the ES, dried right up. I'll show you the order flow. And as soon as we hit 781, we just started ripping, right? And we had our targets, and we knew if we reclaimed, again, key 58.59, we got back over. And I said, no longs until 39 hits, or we reclaim a green session over 58.59. What happened? We closed the green session over 58.59. And what happened? Buying ensued like crazy. Where did it go to? 58.98. Where did we sell off from? 58.98. Where did we sell down to? 58.59. Where did we rip up from into the close? 58.59. You just have to understand the fractional component of the market with the order flow confirming that. Okay? I don't want to yell, but I really want to make my point clear that when I talk about fractal markets, this is how markets move. Let's get into the charts. Okay, so here we go. Here is ES and here is NQ. I focus mainly on the ES, but we'll talk about the NQ as well. Okay. So what happens? PPI comes in, gets up here into 18, sell. So what happens? Let's just focus on the 930 candle. 930 opens, we find this massive order offer at our 59.08. We were talking about it on the live stream. If you want, go back, listen to the live stream. It's posted on my channel, right? 59 opens. We sell all the way down to where? 58.80. This is a key intraday level, and I'll talk about it here in a bit. We knew once if they were able to get the close under 80, we would sell into 59. Again, push off 80. Back up here, we encounter the offer into 59.08. Massive selling at, I mean, massive rate of 58.98. So order flow confirming the short. Close under, we don't get the fill. We tried to get the fill here, rate at 98, doesn't fill us, goes without us. So once we cleared C period and we closed under our 80, it was time to go short. This is a beautiful short entry for us. Look at what happens. We pull back, we tag the level perfectly. There's no bid. We sell all the way down to where? 58.59. Now this is where it gets really interesting, and I want to go back to the NQ here. Okay, so we were waiting for 37 to trade on the ES and 781 on the NQ. I had wrote that up way before it traded down here. This is what I was telling the team. Okay, we're going to wait for this. Okay, we're going to wait for this. Once this area trades, we expect strong buying to come in on the market. So what happens? Boom, we get this 30-minute session. Where is it? Reclaim 58.59. What did I say to the team? No longs until either 39 hits. Okay, we got close. We didn't hit. We dried up. 781 got bought on NQ. We hit it before. Or we reclaim a green session over 58.59. Well, fucking go time. Close this. We're long. Target 58.98. That's our trade. That's what I laid out last night. Oh, it's so beautiful. Same with NQ. We get into 860 again. We knew if 860 bid, we would be able to trade up to 9015. Sorry, 15. So Jesus Christ, at least up to 937, right? And we got that move beautifully here. It was an 80-point buy session candle, but this is what we're mainly focused on. I don't really like it to look at the NQ when we start going crazy. ES is much more manageable. And then yeah, we all longed here, or the target 58.98. So we caught the move here. We closed back over 80. Look at this. We just barely closed over the level. All you guys started to short initial balance. Nope. The bid moves up here and drills you right to our level. Now, partly because that we got this close is because all you guys were shorting here below 50. All you guys got way too short, not realizing that you were being absorbed on the inventory. Okay, the bid was absorbing all of you guys, but they do it in a way to make the market look weak. But once they were done absorbing you guys and we close back about the pivot, what happens? Order flow traders, everybody who knows what to look for, we close back over 58.59 and off we went. Boom, boom. An hour straight of buying. And then we shorted 58.98 because we get there, can't get the close, come back into supply. Strong red session here. They moved the bid up here to 90, but I knew we would flush it. It was a very good chance that we were going to flush. And flush we did. The offer. We absorb all the inventory till nothing's left up here, and they drill it down. Where do we trade? 58.59, and then look at all the buying that came in. We look below 58.59. They don't get the close. Order flow says, holy moly, boys, they're buying it up. Right? Where do we pull in here on the NQ? 57.80 or 781. How beautiful was that? All the way to 937, our key level. Okay, look at the sell here. Beautiful. And then look what happens here at 330 when we come back down and test the inventory. Boom, bid holds easily and drill to the upside. And now we're almost back to 58.98. Market looking to trade 59.37 tomorrow. So proof is in the pudding. These trades were laid out last night. You see the intraday confirmation and the guidance to the team there. During the day, absolutely perfect, right? Waiting for 781 to hit, waiting for 37 to hit here. We didn't quite tap it right here because we got bought off 781 first. It happens sometimes. But once we close this session here over 58.59, it was long. This thing's going to rip. Absolutely rips. Everyone was short. I don't care about these open shorts, right? I don't care about chasing it. I let them have it. I let it come down to where I want to buy the market. And like I said, 95% of my trades are longs, right? And this is literally probably one of the perfect days of trading that I could ever ask for. This is perfect two-way auction, right? And this is why I love Trump because he's going to give this to you. He's going to sell, and then we're going to rally like crazy, and we're going to go up to key pivots, then we're going to sell all the way down, and then we're going to come all the way back up. And all it is rotating perfectly off our levels, absolutely perfectly. And this is why I wait and trade the 30-minute sessions. So again, I won't keep this video long. Got to get super prepped up for CPI tomorrow. We already know what's up, and I got to get the trade plan out to the team. Again, links in the description. Come and join us. Um, hours and hours and hours and hours of order flow instruction. I'm with my team all day long, live on the mic for first hour and a half of the day. I do an hour to an hour and a half recap every single day on Zoom, and yeah, come and learn how we put it together, man. If not, give me a like, give me a thumbs up on the video, maybe like and subscribe to the channel. I'll keep it going. So sorry for talking so much. Sorry if I'm raising my voice and yelling here. I really want to try to open the ideas or open the brains of you traders and understand that you don't need all these smaller time frames. You don't need these chart patterns. You don't need these indicators. All you need is the tape because the order flow will show you where the key levels of an inflection are in the market. I promise you, promise you, these levels aren't added after the fact. This is all laid out yesterday. Same with the NQ, right? How did I know 781 was going to just inject furious buying? Because the order flow said so, right? I said wait for 781 up here, right? Trace down to 781. This isn't after the fact. We know that if 781 holds, we're going to rotate up to 937. That's what they did, right? So if you're struggling with NQ, maybe you're an NQ trader and you're only taking like 5, 10 points. I can show you how to take 40 points, 60 points, 80 points and hold it with ease. Because once you understand the order flow, you're going to be able to hold for sessions. Sessions, not chart patterns, not candlesticks. Sessions. So, anyways, I get excited when I talk about this stuff because it's the truth. It's the absolute truth. Some may find it annoying here, but I speak the truth, right? If you can call the top and bottom of the S&P 500 and the NQ futures 12 hours before it trades and you can tell exactly where it's going to reverse and where it's going to go to off that reversal, you know something. It's the order flow, guys. It's all you need. All right. See you on the live stream tomorrow. Tap in for the first hour on the channel. Other than that, I'll see you later. You want to come learn, links in the description. Love to see you in there. Have a good day, guys. I'm going to go hang out with my kids.